then put them in different points. See if I can just keep the... Yeah. Main man's on the job now. Just getting set up. Oh, and boilers are set up. So we're getting our main centre profile sorted. Have to get him right. And then I can just transfer this gauge rod, whatever it is. It's very hard to do it while I'm filming, but the idea is to just transfer that gauge from that corner. How am I going to do this then? On the hellfire. So out to there. Does it go lower or higher?
Well, not too bad. Then that tight, right?
That. Yeah, you're looking at it from above, Dad. You're trusting the gauge. Trusting the gauge. Champion, that's our profiles in place. Got a hydrated lime to go in our mix. We've got a little friend. Hello, mate.
Hello, lad.
In the pile of bricks, nearly got crushed.
No, it's not too low.
This actually a bit better with a bit of lime in it, you know?
Yeah.
Well, this is how we're looking, guys. Wind's getting up now. There's a little mixing corner. Basically, I'm just not guessing, I'm just trusting my eyes, shall I say. Bond's a bit brick bond, but you're going to get that because the outside's wider than the inside, isn't it? So. Got our template cut now. Just show you what I did here. Just got a basic template off the bottom here, and then I'm just going to work that. No, it probably just wants a bit more off there actually. Yeah, that's better. And then we're up top there. They're doing this one here. Is that World's Strongest Man?
It's a tree what come down, isn't it? Part of it.
You look like
You
look like you're lifting the Atlas stone there. Or you... Careful your back, you know.
Hey.
Look at this walkway here Casey's made, brilliant.
Hey, just test it. Oh, it's
So Luke.
balance, that,
Champion that.
I've actually cut all the roots out of it.
This, yeah, he's screwed it all down so it's safe. It's a patchwork quilt like, and he's got tree stumps at the back, screwed it down to them.
But you're not going to get a scaffold up here, are you?
No. That's belting that, Dad.
Belting.
How about you on this bank holiday Monday?
Oh,
Fresh?
fresh, great, feel good,
Good.
ready to go.
Looking fit and healthy. Supposed to put your palm at the bottom.
There you go.
Is that a new trowel, that? Is that called the hammer trowel?
Call the woodpecker.
Alright, that trowel, isn't it, Dad? Now it's broken.
Brilliant.
On we go!
Okay.
Yeah?
Do you want something for in between?
Well, you know what I'm gonna... See, if I put brick, I'm defeating the object because I'm using brick, aren't I? I need some of them really, or I could put
I'll
in.
clean some of them up. Just fill it up to the top there, that.
Yeah? Get your trowel.
Oh.
all I can say, guys, is it's a good job that we've got KC on the job, because check this out what he's just brought now. Like a magician. He's going to go home and get some bricks, because we've got some bricks, or concrete bricks. But these are even better, some pavers, because they're actually
solid.
Well, they're slimmer. They're 50 mil, them, Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
perfect
so that's
for
good.
filling in.
It's great for filling in there. I know I've not buttered it, but just to show you, they're going to go in the middle, and that'll save us whatever we can get in the middle there.
Save on the bricks.
Save us on our bricks. Because I'm done cutting them. I don't want to cut anymore. There's just some more to cut there. If I can get away with cutting them, grand. I'm still going to bond a few over naturally, you know, with the bond, but I am going to do this with the void in the middle and then put some ties in here. On we go! Because I've cut the bricks down and they're all a bit uneven, it's very difficult, but I'm doing my best. Been a great lift. Don't forget your seatbelt this time. Else the YouTube police will be on you.
Thanks for reminding me.
They'll report you. Hey, a nice van that. I like it. Done for today, bank holiday Monday. Here's how we're looking. Just got to have a big clean up for about 30 minutes. Clean the mixer out and what have you. We're looking alright.